our friends at BioMag for sending me these magnetic rings. They come in this, they make a perfect gift, and they come in this beautiful, nice bag. And what is the, ooh, so you have a set with different settings. Let me open them so that you can take a look. These are gonna look beautiful on you for men and women. So these are 99%, 99.9% copper. Okay, there's no lead, there's no nickel on this. This is the real deal. And you want it to be like that so that you get the properties that are claimed by using these copper rings. You see how beautiful? They have different designs. I'll show you all the designs. Well, I'll tell you a little bit about it. So the benefits of using these, or the claims of using these rings, is that it reduces anxiety, that it gives you a nice sleep. These rings have 3,500 Gauss magnetic property in there. So these are not just made out of copper and beautiful, but they are magnetic, right? And depending on what is it that you want to improve in your life, is the finger that you're going to wear this ring on. So this is not just you put the rings on and whatever. No. The way that it is that it has, I'm going to read this to you because I don't know it by heart, but the placement is very interesting. For example, if you want confidence, right? Like more confidence, right? You want to feel confident, then you put this in your index finger, right? The middle finger for balance, right? The pinky for immunity. So it has different fingers will determine what you're going to improve in your life, right? This is a holistic way of looking for balance in your life, for looking of getting good things to happen in your life. And well, you know, it's not invasive. You try to do whatever you want, right? Whatever you can to improve your life. Whoever's doing that or trying to improve in whatever way should get your respect. So I'm gonna start wearing these, right? I don't know which finger is the one that you wear so you start looking cute. I don't know which one it is. But I'm gonna find out and I'll make another video about it. But this is beautiful. These rings are beautiful. They're magnetic. You see the magnets in there. I'm gonna try to show you. Let me see which one's easier. Right? So maybe you can see in the inside it's tough. Oh, there you go. You see in the inside those magnets? Those are the magnets right there that do the thing, and then the copper is the material that will help you with this. So thanks to the guys at BioMag for sending this. I hope that you feel as good as you want to feel. Super recommended.